Are you recording this?
Nope.
This is the morning one next.
Oh, I hate this song. It's my mom's alarm every morning. Yeah. Wake up, Anthony's mom. Wake up.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Korean songs.
I don't know any Korean dances. Oh, I can read.
Are you gonna read again?
Yeah.
My phone's been in her car. It's good.
We never got it in, huh?
Should I get it and charge it right now? Wait, can I have your car keys?
Yeah, they're by the door.
BRB guys, what was the best song? I think it was the Latin one.
You haven't seen real dancing yet. Check it out. We should go to Spook Fest like this.
Dude.
Just go back to the hotel
Yes.
and just watch Rudy dance.
Yes.
Are you going now, Rudy?
I can't afford a ticket, but
can't
if the
afford a
hotel's
ticket.
cheap, then
I can't afford a ticket either.
yeah.
I'm asking my mom
Are
to
we
cap
done?
me down.